Hello everyone, this is Kautil Roshan and today we will be talking about on the topic of Invideo. What is Invideo? Invideo is a, we can say, website where we can go and we can create unlimited videos basically for our social media and all, as the demand of video is increasing. So this also is one of the great, you can say, platform where we can go and we can make the video and we can add the effect for stories, for, like, you can say, YouTube thumbnail, all that. If I want to make, I can go and I can make that. So today we will be exploring this, so do watch video till the end to know what all features they have, whatever the price range they have. So is it worth or not? Those who are new to my channel, they can subscribe my channel to get the frequent update about the digital marketing related, anything related to digital marketing, because majorly I upload the video related to digital marketing. You can go to my playlist and you can check out all the different section that I have uploaded, like SEO, social media, paid social media, digital marketing tools, and many more I have already uploaded. So let's start and let's see. Invideo, it is not a free tool. If you go for the free version, they give the watermark. Suppose if I don't want the watermark, I have to buy their plan. So they have monthly plan and they have yearly plan. So if I go with monthly plan, it goes with $24 per month, and unlimited goes with $48 per month. But if I go with yearly plan, it costs very less as compared to monthly. So in the business, you have everything in the free plan plus 10 iStock media per month. So at Adobe iStock, I can take 10 images per month, whereas in, like, you can say, unlimited, I can take up to 120 iStock media per month. And then again, here they have 1 million plus premium media. Here also they have. Then again, 60 video I can export if I take the business plan, but with the unlimited plan I can export unlimited video, and 20 background removal. So for any image I can remove the background, and here 40 images they give in the unlimited. So if you click on compare all the features, so that template number is same. So whatever they have given the template, that is same. Premium template also is available and all. So again, where is the catch? How many export you want to do? Suppose if I only 60 per month, it will be done for me. So I can go and I can take this business plan. I will not pay $24. But again, suppose I upload a lot more videos particularly, so then I will go with the business plan. And you can see resolutions and all that particularly. Most of the things are same particularly, but you give here cloud storage. So you have 10 GB here, and then we have 100 GB. So again, if you want more cloud storage, you can go with this particular plan. And in both that, you will get the like, you can say, help center, chat support, and priority support. Now again, let's go to the its website and see what all can be done. So again, I have taken its premium plan, so I can go here and you can see here 5000 pre-made template is there. So I can go in the category and I can choose the category like bit size ad. They have lot of categories here, like brand intro, bit size ad, brand promo, long form ads, branding template. So again, like, suppose I am looking for a branding template, so I can go here and again I can select the size. So this is for YouTube size, and this one is 1.1:1, like for social media, and this one for story. So suppose I am looking for YouTube, so I can go, and tons of template they have that I can use that particularly. So for example, suppose I have to make for a story, suppose, so I can go and I can see here whatever template. They have tons of template. Whatever template that I like, I can go and I can take that particularly. So again, you can see here what could be changed in just 6 weeks. So it's like body loss and all that. Just like this, if I go to the content, so blog, insight, so they have the, mainly you have to go in the category and you have to see. So again, I can go and I can see here long format, branding template, video testimonial, stickers, and I can click on view all also to view the all the category. So they have given the category here. So suppose I have to go with video ads, I can go slideshow. Suppose I want to do slideshow, so I can select that here, business presentation. So it's tons of template. Almost for everything you will find a template here. So it's again a good thing to have. So for example, suppose I want slideshow. I can click on view all. Then you can select the size that you want. Suppose I want for my stories, particularly, or reel. So obviously 9:16 size I will select. Now again, depend upon whatever particularly I am looking for, we can go and we can do that. So again, you can see we are going with a bank. So again, like anything related to that product or services we are providing, we can go with that. So it's like for sell, you can see. Then again, like particularly you can say 100 rainbow across the world, volunteer, raise fund, online editor, solo traveler. So again, like particularly here you can say is there in-house, like if suppose I have to make particularly video, suppose I am making reel on Invideo today, like how to use Invideo. So you can see two things they have. So anything that I want, I can go and I can take that whatever I like. So I can again, suppose I like this one, so I can go and I can take that. And here also you can see particularly lot of other things as well they have. So I can go and I can, so you can go here and you can see particularly if I can relate to this food and all. So I can go and I can do that. Just like that, if I want particularly anything else here, you can see particularly for YouTube, suppose I am making a shorts, so I can use this particularly. So it depends, whatever I want I can go and I can use that particularly. So for example, let me select one, suppose January monthly maintenance trip, or suppose Italy overlooked. So anything, suppose for marketing. So I can go here and I can search. Suppose I am looking for marketing video, so I can go and I can search here marketing. So I will be getting now all the marketing. Focus on what do your best, and then again marketing myth busted, example valuation of brand 50,000 plus target audience, and then exposure particularly. So again, like particularly introduce your company to all your thousands of followers get. So just like this, if I want, like you can say I can go and I can check here particularly how to get more followers on Instagram easy. So again, suppose I like this one, so suppose I can go and I can use, so I can click on this, and then whatever the size that I am looking for, suppose I am looking for 9:16, and afterwards I will go use this template. So they will just take a minute. Now again, I can go and I can put. So what I can do here is, you can see this is the logo, so I can upload my logo. I already had my logo, so I will go and I will use that particularly. So here is my logo. Again, I will use that. Now again, how to get more followers on Instagram, anything like I want to edit, I can just double click, and here you can go particularly, and we can go and we can animate that, or I can change. Now I can delete and I can change. I can add the animation in that particularly here. I can go and I can add the animation in and out, whole, word, character. So in short, if I say, we have lot of things that can be done. So suppose like you can say post in the right time, find the best time to post on Instagram for your type of content. Then again, like particularly get commercial post, and then again follow us for more particularly. So again, if I see here, it is of 23 seconds. So let me play. So if I play here, so if I found it good, so I can take it as it is. So again, here there is a problem. So this is coming, so I will move this to the left hand side. Now again, this is of 7 seconds, so I will decrease the time. So I will made it of 3 seconds basically, and I will do yes. Then again I will play and I will see if any changes is needed. So again, you can see 3 seconds is ample. So again, this one, again lot of content is there, so I will keep the size here to 5 seconds basically, because lot of content is there that I can do. And then afterwards here, particularly this one, create commercial post. So suppose instead of commercial, I want to write anything else, create, like you can say informational post. So I can go and I can have that I can keep capital, and then here post I can keep P capital. Then after that, particularly I can go and I can keep this again 3 seconds, since again very less content is there. Now again followers mode, definitely I will keep this also less, like suppose 2 seconds. I will keep this 2 seconds. Again followers for more, and this swipe up I will remove basically, because again now no need of swipe up is there. So I will click on this and I will delete from here. I will delete this. So simply I will keep this. Now again color I can change. Suppose I want to match with my logo color, so I can go here, particularly I can double click, and particularly you can see here the color. So I will go and I will take the color basically. So I will go and I will take something like this. No, it's not going around. I will take this. No, rather I will go with that whatever color that is matching and it's looking nice. So I will go with, suppose this color. So some kind, it is like I am like taking lighter color whatever I have used in the logo. Same I will do with this. I will go and I will take same here, and then again in the third also. Now again I will make it 5, and then here also like it's, I will change this to 3, and here also what I will do is I will first, yeah, here it is changed. Again this I will change the color. I will use the same, this one color, and then again here I will remove this to 2, and then again here this color I will change. So again I will use this. Now this only I will change this to 3. Now you can say it is of 8 seconds. So again you can see here particularly 8 seconds. So again I can go and I can, this is again a short and sweet. So again if I want informational, so I will type AL, informational post. Then again if I want I can add here suppose animation. So I can go whatever I want, slide right, slide up, slide down, fade, zoom in. So I can again add that, and so I can wipe X and all, film and all. So whatever I want I can use that particularly. So there are lot of transaction they have, overlay, circle, spin. So again overlay will be coming on the screen. For example, suppose if I want this particularly, suppose I can go and I can click on this and I again apply to all. So this overlay will be coming to all of it. So for example it will be coming like this. Same if I will go, so this like this overlay it will be coming, so something like this. So again if I want to decrease, I don't want overlay, so I can go here, I can click on this and again default transaction or remove transaction. So again particularly if I want this crossed, so again I can go and I can use this cross transaction. So again particularly if I go here, so again this is looking nice. Now if it is okay, simply what I can do is I can go and I can do that. So suppose like particularly is like I want for YouTube shorts, so instead of followers I can use subscribe, and if I am doing for Instagram I will download this. And this again, this is the music. So again suppose if I want music I can keep, so lot of music they have, you can choose from that. You will go to the music, you will find, but I will use default Instagram reel music, so I will delete that. And then afterwards simply I will download this, and again here you can choose the quality, so 1080p, and export. So obviously when I will export I can go and I can export that. Since it is a paid plan, so I will not get any watermark in this. So overall if I say, it is a very good tool to have, particularly good tool to create and all. So again I can go and I can download once they are in the video after rendering is complete. So they are rendering this, so they will take a minute, and so after rendering I can go and I can download basically. So similarly, suppose I want to duplicate this, so I can go and I can duplicate project. So I can go and I can create the duplicate. Now again in this duplicate, suppose I am making for like YouTube shorts. So what I will do, instead of followers I will go with the here and I will give subscribers. So I will go and I will use subscribe. Yes. So again I will keep that here formal, and S I will keep capital. So again I can go and I can, after that I can click on download. So if again I want to change anything I can change, but I will just click on download, export. So this is how it can be done. So hope you like this video. So do subscribe my channel for seeing more video, like I will be keep uploading anything related to digital marketing, as this you can say video is a part of also social media. A lot of video are getting uploaded, reels and all, so you can make very interactive reel and all. Hope you have liked my video. Do let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get my regular updates. Thank you guys, see you in the next video, and don't forget to share this video with other people.